So first thing, this is actually the trailhead. This is your playground that usually Salesforce provides. It's open, like you don't have to pay anything for it. This is what Salesforce gives to budding people who want to learn about the tool. So first, this is how your homepage would look like, and you've got the home, opportunities, leads. Leads are the main things which Salesforce or CRM concentrates on, and you've got rest of all that are pretty self-explanatory: accounts, contacts, campaigns. Campaigns is usually used for Market Cloud, dashboards, and reports. So going on to reports, you can just go ahead and click on reports and create a new report. And just for this meeting, I did have a account configured. It's a trial account that I have configured. And then you've got you've got report types. You've got accounts, you've got contacts and accounts. If you want to see all the associated contacts with particular accounts, accounts with partners, that means these accounts that are created for a business usually come out from the external partners who are trying to build business with the company, or vice versa. And you've got account with account teams. Account teams are usually internal teams. Accounts with contact roles, and all these are a broader part of the when you see the left hand pane, you've got accounts and contacts. All that I'm running through are a broader part of accounts and contacts. And then you've got opportunities, which are these opportunities are usually converted from leads. Lead is what you get from a prospective business that you're trying to build, and that is again converted through various steps into opportunities. And then, did something happen? I'm sorry. Okay. Okay. I just saw a screen pop by, so I was wondering if something happened. Okay, awesome. Then you've got opportunities with partners, opportunities with competitors. This is the report type what is used by sales analysts or business analysts to look at what are the kind of deals that they can crack with, or how can they drill down their price in order to get in order to convert a lead into a prospective opportunity that converts into a business deal. And then the opportunity history, if they've had any kind of if they've had any kind of previous conversations and blah blah blah. The rest of the opportunity report types are again self-explanatory. And then you've got customer support reports. This is one of the most even my husband, who's into Salesforce, uses this. And most of the customer support reports are usually used by when you've got a tool like BMC or any incident management tool that is integrated into your Salesforce software. So this customer support reports usually tracks down the kind of tickets that are created, be it by the internal team or the product owners, if they want to drill down into any kind of enhancement that they want. Cases with assets, which kind of asset management is usually used with the kind of assets the company has with it. So you've got cases with solutions, if there are any incidents that have been closed. Case history, this is used a lot. And cases with milestones, in order to track any of the incidents that have been converted into enhancements or maintenance items. And solutions and solution categories. And so today I'm going to show you how to create this customer support, a basic report which drills down the cases. So I just go ahead and click down cases. Sorry, I hope I haven't digressed into too much. I got into this report type by just clicking on report and then clicking on new report. And then I click on continue. The automatic thing pops up over here. And then on the left hand side, think of it. Do you know how a pivot table works, a pivot chart works in Excel? It's like pretty basic. And that is how it's going to work here in Salesforce as well. You've got filters where you can add a filter, where you can add columns. Like, see, look, I've got a case owner, an account name from where I have the account. And then I've got a subject, like what is happening, date and time opened of this account. And look at all this. Somebody had opened a case for me. Easy installation process by the somebody, like these are all the account names. And every account, like for example, I have a team which is working for United Oil and Gas Corp, and I've got a team that is working for Express Logistics and Transport. So people working under this team as an end when they're dealing with an end user, if they find any kind of issue, they just go ahead and open this ticket, and it is assigned to the Salesforce team in order to drill down, or work with uh, the or come up with a solution. So this is the kind of report that you will see. And then I've got these columns: a case owner, who has opened the case. In this case, it's going to be me, because I have created this for our meeting purpose. And then I've got the account name, and then the subject, which is like a generalized line of what is happening inside the incident: date and time open. And then I've got the age open and closed, which are pretty optional. Like if there are any tickets that you can even, you do probably you do not want to see what are the tickets closed, so I can just click on this, and then I don't see the ones that are closed. Okay, and then I want to see what's the age of the ticket. uh, you want to see an average age of how, when the ticket was created, and then you can go ahead and, sorry, I'm just gonna, the thing is, I'm gonna do this, and then I'm going to do an apply. It's going to show me the age, average age of when it was created and where it was, when it was created. The time and date open determines the age. So you have to have the time and date opened when it comes to case management. And then you can even group these tickets. Like if I want to group these incidents or tickets based on the account name, I just want to see it by the name of account name. Let me drill down, and I can go ahead and see, where's the accounts? Yeah, I just want to group it by the account name. I can add a group, which is United. Yeah, I can just do custom, which is upsell opportunity, and then click on apply. And I can just click on run, and it will give me the new details of the case. And these are the kind of cases that are being added over and over, that these are the ones that I've just grouped. You look at this upsell opportunity, right? So this is the filter that I have used to group a certain cases. So that is how it is grouped. And then I can even remove it, and I can even add a chart.